My existing TV suddenly blacked out on me. Despite my attempts to troubleshoot and tinker with the internal board, I could only manage to fix half of the screen. Considering my frequent moves between apartments every few weeks, I wasn't keen on investing in another TV, especially since this one wasn't even 2 years old. I just posted an unboxing for it a few months ago. You can check it out here. Given the remarkably low prices of LED projectors, I decided to explore that option instead. I settled on a makeover LED projector model HY320. After watching promising YouTube reviews, I decided this one is for me. Setting up the projector upon its arrival turned out to be a breeze. I quickly created a lens protector with the 3D printer, and I will share a link on it in the description. However, the main issue I encountered was its tiny, inadequate speakers. Even after connecting it to my portable Bluetooth speaker, the sound quality didn't quite match up to my old setup. In 1978, New York Fisher Amplifier paired with Steno speakers, which I absolutely love. Desperate for a solution, I searched the internet for ways to convert my beloved analog setup to Bluetooth. It turns out that there is a solution on the market for several years now. A receiver that can connect to the auxiliary port on my amplifier and pair with Bluetooth devices like projectors, laptop, or even my smartphone. I wasted no time ordering it. Upon its arrival, I found it to be a straightforward device with just few buttons, a power cable, a 3.5mm jack cable, and a remote control. I connected the power cable to my nearby computer and plugged the RCA end into the auxiliary port of my amplifier. After powering it on, I initiated a Bluetooth setup on my devices. Once I located and paired with my speaker, named L86 in this case, I was greeted with confirmation that Bluetooth connection was established. With that, I could finally enjoy my favorite movies with vastly improved sound quality. Thank you for watching.